Hello, welcome to the channel Little Kiddies. All moms, I will suggest you to sit with your child to see this video. Plastic gives a helping hand, but they are polluting our land. That means though plastic is very important in our life, but they are polluting our land. So we should stop using plastic. So today I am going to tell you a story. So let's start with the story. Name of the story is Bablu Goes for Shopping.
Bablu goes shopping. One day, Bablu was very hungry and he wanted to eat fruits, but he did not have fruits to eat. Then he was thinking what to do. Then he decided to go shopping. When he reached the fruits market, he saw different types of fruits: mangoes, bananas, oranges, cherries. In that market, there was a big apple tree and there were red apples on that. So he wanted to eat them. Then he decided to buy red apple from the market. Bablu bought lots of apples, but he was not able to hold all the apples, so they started to fall down. Tupuk, tupuk. And Bablu started crying and crying. And as he was crying, there was kangaroo named Hoppy standing nearby. He asked Bablu, "Why are you crying?" Then Bablu said, "All my apples are gone, it just fell down." Then Hoppy said, "Why don't you carry a bag?" Then Bablu said, "I don't have shopping bag." Hoppy said, "I will help you, but you first promise me that you will always use cotton bags for shopping and no plastic bags." Then Bablu asked, "Why only cotton bag?" Then Bablu asked, "Why only cotton bag?" Then Hoppy said, "Because plastic bags are very dangerous for environment and Mother Nature does not like plastic bags." You know kids, when stray animals like cows, donkeys eat the plastic that is thrown on the road or from the garbage bins, the plastic does not get digest and then it causes health problems and harms the animals. Moreover, when we throw plastic into the ocean, many big fishes also swallow the plastic and sometimes the plastic gets entangled around the neck of the turtle swimming in the ocean, thus causing danger to his life. And then after that, whenever Bablu and Hoppy wants for shopping, they always carry cotton bag.
So what we have learned from this story? We have learned we should use cotton bags. This story teaches your child social values. Parents, when you go for shopping, you should always carry a cotton bag. When you use cotton bags, then only your child will know that we should use cotton bags, not plastic bags. On 3rd July, there was International Plastic Bag Free Day. So let's decide from today we will use only cotton bags. If you like this story and you think this video is useful for your child, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Meet me in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.